Happy New Year! This March 2022, we're celebrating the actual 30th year anniversary of Glisas Audio Video Corporation. If you didn't win last time, we're giving you another chance to win one Asus laptop for free on our Batch 2 laptop giveaway this 2022.
I'm Yong Ferrer, the president of Glisas Audio Video Corporation. Glisas was established in 1992 to cater to all audio-video requirements of the broadcast and the corporate world. We have striven to be one of the best and the biggest production and post-production companies in the Philippines. Today, we are still your video production specialists.
We are grateful to God, our team, our partners, and most especially to our clients for our 30 years in this industry. Last year, we already gave an Asus laptop, headphones, and bags to our lucky viewers and clients. As a Thanksgiving gift and due to popular demand, we're giving away another laptop this year. Our clients and you, our viewers, can join this raffle for free. How to join? There are 5 easy ways to join. 1. Book a Roche or Glisas Green Screen Studio and get 10 raffle coupons. 2. Every 10,000 pesos worth of equipment rental service is equals to 2 raffle coupons. 3. Equipment rentals less than 10,000 pesos will get you 1 raffle coupon. For our viewers, you can join through YouTube for free. You don't need to pay anything to join. 1. You must be subscribed to our YouTube channel. And 2. Thumbs up or comment on one video to earn 1 raffle coupon. Message our Glisas Community Events Facebook page, link in the description box below, and include your full name, mobile number, and email address. And attach the screenshots as proof that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and that you liked or commented on our videos. This serves as your 1 raffle entry. Thumbs up or comment on more videos for more raffle entries. We have more than 100 videos on our channel. You can also join through Facebook for free. First, you must like at least one of our 3 Facebook pages, Glisas Audio Video Corporation, or Roche Media Solutions Inc., or AV Studio Services. Then, share any of our YouTube videos or any of our Facebook posts on your personal Facebook page. Doing this will earn you 1 raffle entry. Your Facebook post must be in public so we can see it. Message our Glisas Community Events Facebook page and include your full name, mobile number, and email address. And the screenshots as proof that you like at least one of our pages and that you shared any of our posts on your page. This serves as your 1 raffle entry. The terms from last time is still the same for this raffle draw. However, all rentals or online entry submissions must be made between December 27, 2021 until March 23, 2022. Raffle draw and online announcement of the winner will be on March 30, 2022, 12:30 noon. It will be streamed live on our Glisas YouTube channel. There are so many ways to join. Just choose your preference and you can even earn multiple raffle entries to get a chance to win your very own Asus laptop worth 23,000 pesos. It is important that you please check out the link on the screen or the description box below for the complete terms and conditions of this raffle draw. You can also read the complete steps there. If you don't follow all the terms and conditions, you will not be eligible to get your prize. So make sure to read it before you join. You may also watch this video again. If you have questions, feel free to comment on our YouTube video below. Again, thank you for your well wishes and your constant support. We'll wait for your raffle entries. Make sure to watch all our videos on YouTube and follow our Facebook page, because we have more surprises in store for you this year on our 30th year anniversary.